Most people get this wrong. They assume credit limit increases on secured cards are automatic or based only on time, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is ignoring what actually triggers the increase in the first place. In this video, we are breaking down Discover It secured credit limit increases in 2026 and showing you exactly how it works and how to improve your chances. Let's start with the basics. The Discover It secured card starts with a credit limit equal to your deposit. So if Alex deposits $300, his limit is $300. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike traditional credit cards, increases on secured cards are not based on income updates alone. They are based on how responsibly you use the card over time. But here's the problem most beginners miss. They think spending more will get them a higher limit. In reality, spending more can actually hurt your chances if it leads to high balances or missed payments. So what actually triggers a credit limit increase? First, consistent, on-time payments. This is the most important factor. If Jake pays his balance every month without delays, he builds strong trust with the issuer. Second, low credit utilization. That means using only a small portion of your available limit. Ideally, keeping it under 30% shows responsible usage. Third, time with the card. The longer you use it responsibly, the more data the bank has to evaluate your behavior. Now here's where things become powerful. With the Discover system, increases can come in two forms. One is an automatic credit line increase based on review. The other is graduation, where your secured deposit is refunded and your account becomes unsecured. In a minute, I'll show you a simple spending pattern that helps maximize both your credit increase chances and your graduation speed without taking unnecessary risk. Now let's make this practical. If you want a higher credit limit, focus on small regular purchases instead of large unpredictable spending. Think subscriptions, groceries, or fuel. Then pay the balance in full every month. This signals stability, which is exactly what lenders want to see. Also, avoid maxing out your card. Even if you pay it off later, high utilization can slow down your credit growth signals. Let's clear a common myth. Many people think calling customer service will speed up a credit limit increase. In most cases, it does not. The system relies mainly on your credit behavior, not requests. So what actually works? Consistency, low utilization, and on-time payments over several months. Let's summarize everything clearly. Discover It secured credit limit increases in 2026 are not random. They are based on responsible usage, low balances, and consistent payments. If you follow these habits, your chances of getting higher limits and even graduation improve significantly. If this helped you understand Discover It secured credit limit increases, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit tips like this.